We're going to cover sprint jumps, and for this, you're going to need a plyometric box to jump from. Now, the key with these is to take them steady and get the most amount of power you can. So it's not about just banging those reps out. What I want you to do is do one nice and powerfully, have a brief moment to recover, and then do the next one nice and powerfully. So for this, you're going to place one foot on the box, arm up as if though you photo finish mid-sprint. And you're going to powerfully explode through the front foot and jump up, knee up, and then land on the straight leg in the air to absorb the eccentrics. Let's do that again. We'll go explode, up, land on the same leg, explode up, and land on the same leg. Now ideally, we want to do this alternating, so we explode, land, change legs, explode, and land, change legs, explode, and land, change legs. Do those for the number of reps or time prescribed in your program.